Welcome to the Islamic Role Model Series Part 2. Today we will talk about Hazrat Khadija bint Khuwaylid, known as Mother of Believers. Hazrat Khadija bint Khuwaylid anha was born around 555 CE into the Quraysh tribe in Makkah. She belonged to a wealthy and respected family, making her a prominent figure in Arabian society. Hazrat Khadija anha was known for her intelligence, business skills, and compassion. She was a successful businesswoman who managed her trade caravans with honesty and integrity. It was through her business that she met Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who she hired to lead one of her caravans. Impressed by his character and honesty, she proposed to him even though she was older. Hazrat Khadija anha married Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, around 595 CE when she was about 40 years old and he was about 25 years. Their marriage was built on a mutual respect, love, and support. She provided unwavering support to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during the early years of his prophethood, believing in his message when others doubted. She comforted and reassured him during difficult times, strengthening his resolve. One of Hazrat Khadija anha's act of bravery was that during early revelations of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he received the first revelation, he was deeply troubled. Hazrat Khadija anha's faith in him was evident as she reassured him, taking him to her cousin Warqa bin Nawfal, a Christian scholar who confirmed Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's prophethood. Her wisdom and calm demeanor were instrumental in helping Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, come to terms with his divine mission. Hazrat Khadija anha was one of the first to embrace Islam, testifying to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's prophethood and helping spread the message of Islam. Her wealth and influence supported the early Muslim community, especially during the persecution. Hazrat Khadija anha's bravery was also evident when the Quraysh boycotted the Muslims. She used her resources to provide food and necessities to the besieged community, showing her unwavering commitment to the faith. Hazrat Khadija anha and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had 6 children: two sons, Qasim and Abdullah, who died in infancy, and four daughters, Hazrat Zainab, Hazrat Ruqayya, Hazrat Kulsum, and Hazrat Fatima. As a mother, Hazrat Khadija anha demonstrated remarkable strength and care, nurturing her children amidst the growing challenges faced by the early Muslim community. Hazrat Khadija anha remained married to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, until her death in 619 CE at about 65 years old. Her death was a significant loss for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, personally and for his mission. He died in Mecca just before the persecution of Muslims by the Quraysh intensified. Hazrat Khadija anha's legacy as a devoted wife, successful businesswoman, and early supporter of Islam continues to inspire Muslims worldwide. Her wisdom, bravery, and unwavering faith earned her the title Mother of the Believers and a lasting place of honor in Islamic history. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more about Islamic role models.